Welcome to Benaka Capital. In this video, we'll guide you through the best financing options for construction equipment manufacturers. Construction equipment includes heavy machinery like cranes, excavators, and bulldozers, essential for building infrastructure and large projects. Construction equipment requires significant upfront investment, and maintaining it can be costly, making financing a vital tool for companies in this sector. Equity financing helps raise capital by selling shares of your company. This is ideal for businesses that need large amounts of capital to expand operations or invest in technology. Debt financing, like loans and bonds, offers manufacturers the opportunity to purchase construction equipment without depleting cash reserves, with repayment terms that fit business cash flow. Leasing is a smart option for accessing construction equipment with lower initial costs. You can use the equipment without large capital expenditure, keeping your cash flow more flexible. Governments often offer grants and subsidies to construction equipment manufacturers focusing on sustainability, innovation, or community development, reducing financial pressures. Supplier financing lets construction companies extend payment terms for raw materials or components, helping ease cash flow challenges and funding equipment purchases. Project financing is ideal for manufacturers involved in large construction projects. You can secure funding based on future revenues generated by the project, reducing financial risk. At Benaka Capital, we offer personalized financing solutions for construction equipment manufacturers, helping you access the capital you need to grow and thrive. Let's discuss your future today.